Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. So number one, let's pull down the notification panel and you will have the mobile hotspot right here. Now before you toggle it on, you probably want to hold the icon, and this will take us to the settings of it where we can change the password and the band. So number one, probably the most important one, password. So we can actually connect to it. So change it to something that you will actually remember. That might be easier than the random generated characters that it had before. The only thing to keep in mind, it needs to have at least 8 characters. So mine does. Save, and then you have the band. So you can choose either 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Now, key thing to keep in mind in here, if you go with a 5 and your device doesn't see any kind of network, network name will be what is it right here, so Galaxy S20 Ultra G53618. So if you don't see that in your Wi-Fi list, then it means that your device isn't supporting the 5 gigahertz and you will need to drop it to 2.4. That usually happens when you have an older device. But any device bought in like 2017 onwards, I believe, something like that, will most certainly have it. So choose whatever you want. The reason why you would go with 5 gigahertz, it's a faster network then. It works better based on the frequency that it works on, and the less people actually use it, for instance, it will just work better. So I'd advise to go with 5. If it doesn't work, drop down. And from there you can just keep it as it is, leave it, and you can now simply enable it from here. Now for me it says that I don't have a SIM card, so I guess I won't be able to enable it, but all you do is just tap on it, it becomes enabled, like any other toggle, for instance Wi-Fi. You just need to tap on it, and that's all. And when you're done with it, you tap on it again for it to be basically just grayish like every other icon, apart from Wi-Fi, and it will be then disabled. So that is how you would enable and also set up the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.